Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Watch me get ready for Valentine's Day 2023. As you can see, I got my lashes done. I'm just braiding my braids down. The braid down is a long, tiring process. I know you guys know all about it. My family and I are new to the YouTube, so please support us. This is me dipping my braids after I braided them down and added rods to the ends. I wanted a kind of curly, wavy effect. Always be careful when doing this step because the water is extremely hot. Always have a dry towel on hand as well. And just be patient. I just squeeze multiple times to try to get as much as the excess water out of the braids. And then I always allow them at least a couple hours to 24 hours to dry before I take the braids down. To me, that just gives it a better curl or pattern effect. As y'all can see, I'm in a deep thinking process at this time. I'm like, I am not trying to get burned by this scalding hot water. This is me the next evening, attempting to take my braids down to see if I actually got the curl pattern I was looking for. You see I'm kind of struggling because we braided those all the way down to the ends. So it kind of makes it difficult to take down. I think it came out cute. What do you guys think? Yes, honey, cute. This is me on Valentine's Day. I decided to go with the swoop and bun style. This is me with a couple of my gifts. Please like and subscribe.